Remember to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from iMumz.
India's postpartum traditions. Hi mommies, now that you've delivered, it's the postpartum period and this is such an important period in your life and your baby's life. In India, across cultures, the postpartum period is given a lot of importance. This time is meant for you to recuperate after childbirth and for the mother-child bond to happen. And this is a time when you're breastfeeding, that bond is being established. Postpartum period is the confinement period of about 40 days. And this is the time when you are returning back to your normal body functions, your hormones are coming back to its normal place, and you're still adjusting to the new baby in your laps. This confinement period is the time when you really need a lot of care, and this is traditionally done by your mother and the other female relatives. You're not allowed to do any household work or any strenuous activity. Basically, this is a time when you're pampered with a lot of love and everything is provided. You're given a special diet which is specifically tailored to your body's needs postpartum. In Ayurveda, a 5,000-year-old Indian healing tradition, this period is considered a very sensitive period for the mothers, especially for the digestive system. And a lot of emphasis is laid on simple digestible food. Then hot oil massages are given and very simple herbal drinks are given so that your immunity improves and your milk supply is also good. Warming, massages and baths. As we know, diet is a very important part of the postpartum care, but there is so much more to do at this time. According to Indian culture, massages are so important and they are so comforting and so soothing. The women are given daily hot oil massages either by a family member or an experienced Mausi or Dai. These massages are done with different nurturing oils depending on where you live. Suppose you're in North India, then mustard oil is very good. If you're living in South India, then coconut oil is a very good option. So use the oils which are actually from your area. Olive oil is also a very good option for the massage. Sesame oil. Sesame oil is used for massages in many regions in the country, especially in Maharashtra. As I said, whatever is grown wherever, that oil is the best for you. Sesame oil is believed to control stress and blood pressure, and it has lots of cooling properties. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is one of the most commonly used oils in India. It is used for head massage. It gives a cooling, hydrating effect on the body as well. When applied on the pregnant woman's belly, it reduces the appearance of stretch marks and it works as a natural moisturizer. Coconut oil smells very pleasant and is absorbed very easily and quickly by the skin. Olive oil. Olive oil is increasingly being used in many regions, especially in the cities. It is good for skin and hair. In case of a cesarean section, oil massage is done only after the stitches are healed properly. Baths. After oil massaging, hot water is used for bathing. Hot water is poured on the lower abdomen and the pelvic area. Sponging is not enough. It is very important to take a daily bath. Warm water that has been boiled with neem leaves are used for bathing for other parts of the body. Neem leaves are a natural antiseptic. Lukewarm water can soothe tired and aching muscles. Commercial soaps are advised not to be used at this time. What you can do is use chickpea flour or basin. In that, add little bit of turmeric powder and little bit of milk cream. Mix that and use that as a soap for yourself and for your baby. Belly binding. After bathing, the tummy is tied with a cotton sari or cloth. It is believed that it helps to push the uterus back and help to keep it in place. Belly binding also helps to get rid of the stomach gas. Some of the benefits of belly binding are it promotes healthy posture during breastfeeding, gently push the stomach muscles back together and reposition the womb and reduce the stretch marks. Belly binding is a very ancient concept, but it is not the same as a abdominal belt. So this is a better option. It obviously supports your abdominal muscles as well, and it is more breathable. So please use the cotton material to do your belly binding. Covering of the head. Post delivery, women in North India are advised to keep their heads covered. It is believed that body heat is lost primarily through one's head and that a new mother needs to preserve her body heat to recover. Covering your head is believed to keep you warm and protect you from infections and even keeps you nice and warm and comfortable. There are a lot of restrictions imposed during this confinement period. It is also known as the Japa period. A few restrictions are also advised to the new mom as a part of the North Indian traditions. It is believed that following these restrictions helps a mother avoid health problems such as backaches, headaches, and body pains later on in life. Avoiding AC or fan is also advised, but I will say just keep it comfortable. For the baby, if you deliver in summers, a temperature of 26 degrees is ideal. Don't keep the AC below that temperature because then your baby can catch cold. Don't do too much of reading or watching TV because that can also distract you from your baby and even cause headache, and all the negative news and everything can give you stress again, which can impact the bonding between you and your baby. Remember, this is a very delicate part of your life and your baby's life. So no shouting, crying or engaging in stressful conversation, at least when your baby is around. No doing of household work. Staying in a room till the confinement period ends and sleep when the baby sleeps. I feel this is one of the best advices that I gave. Sleep when the baby sleeps. Care of the newborn. Care of the newborn in Ayurveda is greatly emphasized. The mothers are taught how to give their babies massages daily and are encouraged to breastfeed on demand. These first weeks of motherhood are not only important to the mother's health and baby's health, but is a wonderful time to establish a bond and have a beautiful, loving relationship. As the baby grows, every few weeks there is a ritual and festivals performed. The Chaudhary Sanskars should be performed according to the baby's growth and what is done accordingly. You can get in touch with a Pandit and he will tell you what all needs to be done. Postpartum depression. In India, the holistic approach to postpartum period acts as a prevention to postpartum depression. We have so much of support system that postpartum depression was not commonly seen earlier. A mother's support system should be nourishing and supportive in such a way that she is able to get all the help and affection she needs in order to heal and recuperate well after birth, both physically and emotionally. With proper care and guidance, a mother would also deepen and gain the mental, emotional, and spiritual resources needed to carry her through all the demands of family life without feeling depleted. So, this is a very delicate time. You have to eat right. Whatever you're offered traditionally by your family, you have to eat that. Sometimes those things might not be very delicious, but they're definitely very nutritious. And what is offered to you is best for you. So don't be very fussy and follow these traditions. Your food, your massages, and what all advices are given by your elders, because that is how a tradition has been carried on for so many centuries. So take care of yourself, take care of your baby, and take care of my next generation. Lots of love and blessings to you all. Thank you and namaste.